Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on Pinterest by using iOS device. Moving on to the video, first of all, you have to have Pinterest app installed on your phone, which can be installed through App Store. Open your Pinterest app, tap on Login, enter your email, now that you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Your Password. Tap on Resend Email. Now Pinterest will send something to your Gmail to reset your password of your Pinterest account. Open your Gmail and open the message that it has sent, then tap on Reset Password. Type your new password, then confirm your new password. After that, tap on Change Password. Now that your password has been changed and you are successfully logged in to your Pinterest account, now you can explore your Pinterest right here. Thank you so much for watching till the end. That is all for today. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.